Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how I handle lunches in my homeschool. Today I decided to join the Homeschool Show and Tell. It's hosted by Abby over at Rooted and Rest and Jessica over at the Waldock Way. And today the topic is Homeschool Lunch Lady. So I know it's Homeschool Lunch Lady, but I just want to talk to you guys about how I handle meals in general. And I have my planner here to show you. When it comes to breakfast, it's just kind of what I'm feeling like. But then also I have like just, let me make sure you guys can see it. What we're going to do for the month if things get tricky. So if I, sometimes on Sundays I like to bake bread or muffins so we can have it for Monday. If that doesn't happen, then I'm not trying to be too scatterbrained. And so for Monday, I have bagels. Tuesday, I have oatmeal. Wednesdays, I have biscuits and eggs. Thursdays, I have cinnamon rolls, eggs. Friday, I have toast and boiled eggs. And every breakfast is served with fruit. So this just helps me when I'm making my grocery delivery or going to pick out groceries. Like, what do I need in the home? And so I know I'm going to need 5 days of fruit to feed 6 people because I have 5. Oh, sorry. If you do have 5 children, their ages are 9, 6, 4, and then my twins are 16 months old. And so 5 kids and me, that's 6. And then my husband usually doesn't eat, but he will sometimes make breakfast as well. So the kids know for this month, this is what we're eating. And then we'll rotate some things. But guys, to be honest, this is typically what we're eating anyway. So like if it's not oatmeal, it might be cream of wheat. If it's not cream of wheat, it might be grits. So just like it stays within that, what do I want to say? That category, if that makes any sense. Also, I have lots of help with breakfast. Like I said, my husband might typically make some before he leaves, like once a week. And then some days my daughter feels like she wants to cook. I don't make her. She's 9. So what we'll do, we'll make sure that she's cooking something that she knows how to do. Like she can do a fried egg and a scrambled egg and toast. That's usually her go-to when I don't have to worry about it. She's recently gotten into knowing how to do the crescent rolls and the biscuits and start the oven and just all of that. So I've taught her oven safety. I've taught her toaster safety. And that's been helpful because she's more, she feels more equipped to kind of be on her own while I'm wrangling up the troops to get them, like keep them out of the kitchen and just making sure, getting everybody ready for the day. After breakfast, we typically have a snack. So breakfast is anywhere, there's no specific time, but like 8 or 9. And then there's a snack at 10:30. And so the snack at 10 has to be fruit or a smoothie. And so my daughter also, she's really into making like those replica smoothies. So just if you don't know, I'm plant-based, but my children are not. But we are kind of leaning towards everyone going in that direction. They are not fully a whole food plant-based, on a whole food plant-based diet quite yet. But finding things that they enjoy, like a Wendy's Frosty. We can make a whole food plant-based version of that and they love it. She's made the strawberry one. She hasn't tried the chocolate one yet, but I think that's next on her list. But everyone's really on the strawberry one right now. Even like right now they're having their smoothie and I think they did it with mango and she just loves experimenting. So we use that time to get her familiar with the kitchen and then it's just something quick like the orange, the ones that they can peel, like something that I don't have to do. Or sometimes I'll chop up some apples and some peanut butter if it's something that I need to do. Like she doesn't feel comfortable with a knife yet. Well, she does with a butter knife, but not the sharp one. So then lunch is super simple. Sometimes my daughter helps. Sometimes my 9-year-old and my 6-year-old, they're the ones who are more helpful in the kitchen. And then sometimes my 4-year-old can help. Like one day a week, we're always going to have pizza. So the naan pizza, you get the naan bread, you get some marinara sauce or pizza sauce and some cheese. Boom. Let them have it. They can make that. And then that's also something I can eat because I can use the vegan cheese, and also my daughter and my son use vegan cheese as well. So somebody can make a big batch of those. And then one day a week we are going to have $5 sushi at Harris Teeter. That's on Friday. So that's 2 days I don't have to worry about. Then one day a week we're probably cleaning out the fridge. So that's 3 days a week I don't have to worry about. And then the other 2 are we're usually having ramen one day. And so I've recently started making my own vegetable stock. And that has been helpful to cut down on the cost of what the rice noodles cost, having to buy your own box vegetable stock. And the kids really like it. We just, they like to have theirs with a boiled egg and some veggies. I'll have mine with just the ramen, veggies, and the stock. And so everyone can kind of make what they want. There's just no meat in it besides the boiled egg. But that's 4 days. And then the 5th day, I'm going to be honest, we probably eat out because there is a day where, like usually on Thursdays, my 4-year-old has physical therapy. So we are out. So either we're packing a sandwich or we are going to go to the drive-thru. That's just what it is. So then after lunch, we are typically eating lunch around 12:30, and then 3 o'clock they're able to have a snack, and it can be kind of whatever they want. I'm always cognizant of reminding them that to pick something that is going to be substantial. Like if they pick a dum-dum, like the lollipop, that's not going to hold you over until dinner. And so it might be popcorn. It might even be a bowl of cereal. It might be, like cereal bars or like those Fig bars. Those are pretty good. It might be some peanut butter crackers. It might be some graham crackers. It might be some goldfish, Cheez-Its. It's always, or cheese crackers and pepperoni. It's always going to be something that I feel like is going to give them, like, bulk it up a little bit, because I do hold dinner. I usually don't start dinner until about 5. And we're not eating till about 6:30, and that's because this might be really bad, but I don't want them asking for another snack before it's time for bed. Sometimes we do have dessert, sometimes we don't, but I want them going to bed full, and that's the reasoning behind that. And plus, I can't keep stopping to do the whole snack business. It drives me crazy, so they know 10 o'clock, I don't even... 2 of them know how to tell time now, so you don't have to ask, just go. At 3 o'clock, you don't have to ask, just go. And then the way that I handle dinner is I plan out my dinners. Let's see if you can see that, for the month. And that also helps with grocery orders too, because if I see a meat on sale, I know, okay, we're using that meat this week or the coming week. Let me go ahead and use that. I'm not perfect with it, but that's just where we are. Also, after lunch, I clean the kitchen and the kids do like a reset of the living room and the homeschool area, so that when it's time to cook dinner, the kitchen is clean. And sometimes I might be able to squeeze in a little bit of dinner prep. But, while I'm making lunch, they are outside playing or inside doing like one of those Phonics man workout videos. And then after lunch, they're cleaning up. We're getting Benjamin settled for a nap. We're getting the twins settled for a nap. And then we start back with homeschool. So we do take about an hour and a half break during the lunchtime. And yeah, that's it. That's how we handle meals in our home. Let me know if any of these tips were helpful, or if you have any ideas of how to streamline my process. I'm not coming to you as an expert. I'm just coming to you as a friend. And so I want this video, especially this video, to be a what's going to help everybody video. And so let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to give sorry. And don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.